Did you know that pharmacists in Saudi Arabia can earn anywhere between 8,000 to 15,000 SAR per month? That's almost 1.8 to 3.2 lakh rupees. Sound exciting, right? But before you start your career there, you must clear a very important step. Let's get to know more. Welcome back to Academically, the all-in-one destination for healthcare professionals. Today, I tell you about that important step that gets you to work as a registered pharmacist in Saudi Arabia. The Saudi Prometric Exam for Pharmacists, the SPLE. If you want to ace this exam, this video is for you. Keep watching. Now, the first thing is to know the exam structure. Imagine walking into an exam with no idea what's coming. Stressful, right? That's why you should know the exam structure. The SPLE is conducted by the Saudi Commission for Health Specialists or SCFHS. This test usually have 4 sections: basic biomedical science, pharmaceutical science, clinical pharmacy and therapeutic, pharmacy practice, law and ethics. It's a multiple choice computer-based exam, simple format but only if you prepare right. Next is to collect the right study material. Don't waste time on random books. Focus on trusted sources like Gribbing Nation, the Science and Practice of Pharmacy, Harrison Principle of Internal Medicine, Microbiology and Immunology by Van Levinson, SCFHS practice question and mock exam. Many candidates also use online prep courses and question banks designed for SPLE, and you'll find the best of them at Academically. These are your best friend for this exam. After this, build a realistic study plan. Here's where most candidates slips. Don't just say, I'll study everything. Break it down. For example, first 2 weeks biomedical sciences, next 2 weeks pharmaceutical sciences, next 2 weeks clinical pharmacy, last week law, ethics and revision. And this is definitely doable if you stick to it. Just set aside at least 3-4 hours daily. The most important step is to practice like a pro. Solving practice MCQ is 10 times more effective than just reading. Every single day, test yourself. It trains your brain to think under pressure. Our AI-based mock test exam help you to improve time management and highlight weak areas. And lastly, stay updated and confident. SCFHS sometimes update the exam format or guidelines. Always check their official website before registering and remember to study daily. So, are you ready to aim for that 3 lakhs per month salary? If yes, then start today. Know the structure, use the right resources and follow your plan. And for the best guidance and preparation courses, Academically is always here. Your pharmacy career in Saudi Arabia is closer than you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. We will see you at the next one.